Good afternoon. This is Sara from Blue Ridge Literacy, bringing you a citizenship lesson. Today we will focus on the legislative branch. Remember, there are three main branches to the government: executive, legislative, judicial. Let's practice saying this word first. 4 syllables. Legislative. Leg. Is. Lative. Legislative. The legislative branch is one part of the government. The legislative branch is also called Congress. Congress makes federal laws. There are 2 parts of Congress: the Senate and the House of Representatives. There are 100 members in the U.S. Senate. Each state has 2 U.S. senators. A senator represents all the people in one state. If a state has a small population, like Hawaii, there are 2 senators. If a state has a large population, like New York, there are 2 senators. This way, every state has an equal vote in the Senate. We elect a U.S. senator for 6 years. Voting for your senator is an important right and responsibility. One of Virginia's 2 senators is Tim Kaine. Tim Kaine, or Kaine. The U.S. House of Representatives has 435 voting members. The number of U.S. representatives for each state depends on the population. Some states have more representatives because they have more people. If a state has a large population, there are more representatives. For example, Texas has a large population, many people. In 2010, Texas had 32 representatives. If a state has a small population, there are fewer representatives. For example, Wyoming has a small population. In 2010, Wyoming had 1 representative. We elect a U.S. representative for 2 years. Voting for your representative is an important right and responsibility. One of Virginia's U.S. representatives for this area in Roanoke is Ben Cline. Ben Cline, or Cline. The Speaker of the House of Representatives is in charge of the U.S. House of Representatives. The name of the current Speaker of the House of Representatives is Nancy Pelosi. Nancy Pelosi. Pelosi. If the President and the Vice President can no longer serve, the Speaker of the House becomes President. Let's review some of the information in this short lesson by looking at the civics questions that are covered. Question 16. Who makes federal laws? Congress, Senate and House. Question 17. What are the two parts of U.S. Congress? The Senate and House of Representatives. Question 18. How many U.S. senators are there? 100. Question 19. We elect a U.S. senator for how many years? 6. Question 21. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? 435. Question 22. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? 2. Question 23. Name your U.S. representative. So for those learners that are with Blue Ridge Literacy and live in the Roanoke area, your U.S. representative is Ben Klein. Klein. If you live in a different location, you will have a different U.S. representative. Question 24. Who does a U.S. senator represent? All people of the state. Question 25. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Because of the state's population. Because they have more people. Because some states have more people. Any of these answers are correct. Question 31. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The Speaker of the House. Question 47. What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? Pelosi. Nancy Pelosi. That is all we have for today with legislative government, learning about U.S. citizenship. Good luck and have a wonderful day.